Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl E, and if you can't tell where I am sitting, it's my new car. I've had it for a month and 5 days now. I know I fell off on my videos for like a good month because, you know, work, life, and all that other adulting stuff, but I did want to make sure I wanted to make this video before the end of June because I made a video in March. If you haven't seen my scripting video, I did make an example of what my next car I wanted. It was like a scripted manifestation video, and this was the exact car that I said that I wanted, and it took me less than 3 months to get. I bought this car, I think it was May 20th or the 19th, but I will post the purchase of the date right here, and I will link the video of myself scripting it in my journal up here. But I won't be getting into detail of how I manifested it because I already made a video, and if you haven't seen the video, I have the link down in the description box below. But for right now, it's just going to be a car tour because I did want to make sure my car was nicely decorated before I showed you guys. So hope y'all enjoy. And disclaimer, all of the stuff that I bought to decorate the car is all from Amazon, but I will leave like the pictures of like the description, so if y'all are interested, I will definitely have the links to show y'all. I also wanted to tell y'all that the car actually came with the tint, so that was another plus. Yes, it was a used car, but I still love it regardless. And majority of the items did come in this little kit, as you see in the picture. I just forgot to show y'all the coasters and the bag holders because I was excited to show y'all everything else, but it's so convenient because nobody wants to buy these things separately. So that was my little car tour. I know it was short, simple, and sweet, but I really love my car, and the meaning of this video is to show y'all, like, if you really want something and put your mind to it, you will definitely get what you want and you deserve all the fruits of the favor. And if you really just focus, stay consistent, and put your mind on something, nothing is going to stop you. Most of the time, it's you that's stopping you. Like, if you let yourself, you can be your own worst enemy, but you have to learn how to be your own best friend too. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.